Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about an organelle of the eukaryotic cells, which is the Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus, it was first observed by a scientist named Camillo Golgi in the year 1898. So you can understand these structures have been named after the inventor or discoverer itself. These Golgi apparatus, these are flat disc-shaped sacs and these are also known as the cisternae. As you can see over here, these are the flat disc-shaped structures and these are also known as the cisternae. So the number of cisternae that is present in a particular cell is varied generally. So the number of cisternae is varied in a Golgi apparatus. So how many number of cisternae will be present in a particular Golgi apparatus also varies. The cisternae that are connected arranged near the nucleus. So it has got two phases. This phase, this is the area which is known as the cis phase. These area, they remain near the nucleus and they are concentrically arranged around the nucleus. So the phase which is nearer the nucleus is known as the cis phase. It is also known as the convex cis phase or the forming phase. Now the other end of the Golgi apparatus or the cisternae present in the Golgi apparatus, other end of the nucleus, this is known as the maturing phase or the concave trans phase, as you can see over here. So this is the cis phase. This is the area which is nearer to the nucleus and arranged concentrically around the nucleus, and the area which is facing away from the nucleus is known as the trans phase and it is also called the maturing phase. Now let us look into the important functions of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, they are responsible for packaging of materials. So various materials are packed or packaged inside the Golgi apparatus and then transported to different parts of the cells or out of the cells. These packed materials which are happening inside the Golgi apparatus, they are delivered to the intracellular targets or it can also be secreted outside the cells. So at times the materials or the proteins which are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, they are packed in the vesicular form. So they form round vesicles, as you can see in this picture. So these are the vesicles which have been formed. So these vesicles are formed and the proteins that are synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum, they move inside the Golgi apparatus, vesicles are formed and from the cis phase slowly they move towards the trans phase. So this is the area which is associated with the endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. The proteins that are synthesized from these endoplasmic reticulum, they enter here in the form of vesicles and slowly travel through these cisternae and they are secreted from the trans phase as the secretory vesicles. So vesicles fuse with the cis phase and then gradually move towards the trans phase. Also importantly, these are the important sites for the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. So in this video, we have talked about an organelle of the eukaryotic cells, which is the Golgi apparatus, and we have also talked about the important functions played by the Golgi apparatus in a typical cell. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.